morning, I'm Geeta. Welcome to News But Not News. Are you using brown sugar instead of sugar thinking it is a healthy substitute? Do brown sugar has really minerals in it? So to get to know more information regarding this, our reporter Mrs. Jyotsna is over the call. So without any further delay, let's talk with her. Hello Mrs. Jyotsna, can you hear me?
Yeah, Geeta, I can hear you.
Now firstly, can you tell us what is the calorie difference between sugar and brown sugar?
Yeah, when you talk about the calories, there is no much calorie difference. For example, if you take 100 grams of sugar, it contains 387 calories, whereas 100 grams of brown sugar contains 380 calories.
That's really very surprising to know that there is no much difference in calories.
One more question, Jyotsna. We generally know that sugar doesn't have any minerals, but most of us think that brown sugar contain many minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and so on. So what do you say about that? Do really brown sugar contain minerals in it?
Yes, brown sugar do really contain minerals, but here we should know how much amount of minerals do brown sugar really have, because the amount of minerals present in brown sugar is so low that we cannot get any health benefits from it, Geeta.
This is also very surprising to know that brown sugar contain very low amount of minerals in it. But one more doubt I had regarding this, if that is the case, then what is the reason for the price difference? If you just compare the price of brown sugar and sugar, brown sugar is a bit costlier than sugar. May I know what is the reason?
Yes, in today's world, we are in a situation that the quality of the product depends on the price we pay. We mostly believe that if the product price is more, the quality will be good, and if the product price is less, the quality will be okay. But this statement doesn't suit to brown sugar at all. For example, if you just take, when you compare 1 kg of sugar, it costs you around 45 rupees, whereas 1 kg of brown sugar costs you around 90 rupees. Here, you're paying double the cost of sugar. So what do we generally think when we see the price variation between sugar and brown sugar? We think that as brown sugar is costlier than sugar, of sure brown sugar must be good in quality when compared to sugar, and we can replace brown sugar instead of sugar. This is what we think, right? This is quite common. When I started to use brown sugar, the main point which I considered is the price. Even I thought the same way. Yes, the price of brown sugar is more, so obviously the quality of brown sugar should be more. But here the fact is that this is all a myth. Here, then why are we paying more amount for brown sugar? The reason we are paying for brown sugar is not because we are getting something very qualitative product apart from sugar. Not that. Then why? Because the brown sugar is nothing but white refined sugar already, which is ready. The white refined sugar, they'll mix molasses syrup in that, and again they'll dry it up. So they're doing this extra process. For that extra process we are paying the amount, not for the quality at all.
Okay, Jyotsna, now I clearly understood the reason behind the price variation between sugar and brown sugar. Lastly, one more doubt. These brown sugars are available in any e-commerce websites, but they claim to be they are low in calories, very good source of minerals, and the best replacement for sugar. Can you please give a conclusion for this?
Yes, Geeta, this is just a marketing tactics, nothing much apart from that. As I told earlier, a very little calorie difference between sugar and brown sugar. And minerals also present in brown sugar in a very, very low amount, which we hardly get any health benefits from it. And in one word, in simple words, what I can tell is brown sugar is nothing but 93 to 95% of refined sugar in it, and from 5 to max 7% of molasses syrup in it.
93 to 95% of white refined sugar in brown sugar. Oh my god, this is very shocking to know about this. Alright, you told that in white refined sugar they'll mix molasses syrup. Can you please tell us what is molasses syrup?
Molasses syrup is nothing but a juice extracted from the sugar cane, and then they boil it to form the crystals. Once the crystals form, it crystallizes. They separate the crystals from the liquid, and this liquid is known as molasses syrup. And the minerals, what we are talking, that very less amount of minerals do contain in brown sugar. That minerals also is because of this molasses syrup. This molasses syrup only contains a little amount of minerals that only we can find in brown sugar.
Thank you so much for the information, Jyotsna. Today we clearly came to know that there is no much difference between sugar and brown sugar, and for this we no need to spend that much amount in brown sugar. Alright, so if brown sugar is not the substitute for sugar, what else is a substitute? I got your doubt. Is artificial sweetener is a better substitute for sugar? Isn't it so? So we'll get to know more details in the upcoming news but not news. Until then, Geeta signing off. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.